Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fantastic. What's your name?
My name is MD Shifat.
Nice name. What's your nickname?
My name is Shifat.
Where are you from?
I am from Kasis Bazar.
Where do you live?
I live at Hatajari in Chattogram.
How old are you?
I am only 18 years old.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Babul Mian.
What does your father do?
My father is an ideal businessman.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Khatija Begum.
Nice name. What does your mother do?
My mother do is ideal housewife.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you study?
I study English Academy and IT.
What's your favorite football team?
Argentina.
Okay, nice team. What's your favorite player?
Lionel Messi.
Oh, nice. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food biryani.
Oh, nice. Do you like traveling?
I don't know.
Do you like tea?
Yes.
Do you like listening music?
Yes.
Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Have a good day. See you next time, inshallah.
May Allah bless you.
Assalamu alaikum.